Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today is Saturday, so we'll eat fish. This is usually a Friday meal, but yesterday I had to put away my socks and it took much longer than expected. So now that I've slapped the bass fish, I'll bake it in a crust of salt, like this. And as you are asking, this is gros sel marin, or coarse sea salt in proper English. We need salt. A lot of salt. More salt. That'll do. Now pull out the oven universal pan and preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. So now the fish. Look at this, isn't that beautiful? It's a 3-pound wild bass fish from the Atlantic Ocean. It's 10 euros the pound at the open market I go to. You do the math. I've asked my fishmonger to prepare the bass fish so I can fill it up with herbs and whatnot. I'll use fresh herbs: rosemary, sage, thyme, and peppercorns. French word of the day. The French word of the day is marché for open market. Marché. The marché is a business location with stalls of food and stuff. You walk from a shop to another, thus the name marché, which means walk in English. Check on this video to visit a Parisian open market. Needless to say, before you work, wash your hands, wash your utensils, wash your kitchen. We have 4 pounds of salt and we'll mix them with 4 egg whites. Lay a third to half of the mix on the oven universal pan. Rinse and soak the fish. Fill it up with herbs and peppercorns. Lay it on top of the salt layer, then cover it with the rest of the salt so it is sealed. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Know your oven. You can serve the bass fish with boiled potatoes and a buttered shallot sauce. Click on the link above to see how to make the buttered shallot sauce. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please give us a thumb up and show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. Also, subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our new videos. It helps us a lot. Thank you very much for your support. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt.